Today's video, I'm gonna steal my brother's brain out. Do you wanna know? So, he didn't know that it is me because I have my... He said, I'm gonna wait some Bernard to spawn. While he's waiting for Bernard to spawn, I'm gonna steal his Vampira Cappuccina.
Ay. Kapag iwa ko na masulot ako.
Oh, he didn't know that I steal his Bernard. Okay. Someone steal. He said someone stealing my Bernard. No. I think he noticed. I'm gonna hide him. I think he gonna steal it back, but I am undercover hacker. Oh, he thinks I'm a hacker. Good plan. While he thinks I'm a hacker, I'm gonna steal his Laco Karacha. Oh, his base is locked. I think it's a waiting game. "51 seconds. I'm just gonna wait there. Wait there. Oh, with coil. He said, oh no, you're not. I think he noticed me. I'm gonna join my brother's call. Hey, brother.
Hi. Why did you steal my brain rot?
That is not me.
Oh, some hackers is stealing my brain rot.
Did the hacker steal your Los Traleritos? Did the hacker?
Yes.
I have a secret to tell you. It's me all along. I'm gonna leave.
No, my vampira